Yesterday, I did a video about you can do 2 fingerprints on 1 fingerprint 1. And a lot of people said that I couldn't do that because I was using my Fold 6 to show you guys. So today I'm going to use the S25 Ultra to show it to you because the fingerprints on the Fold 6 is actually on the side, but the fingerprints on the S25 Ultra is actually on the screen. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. And I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go into the setting and I'm going to go to fingerprint, okay? And then I'm going to delete my fingerprints first. So I'm going to go in there, go to my pen, and then go right there, okay? And then I'm going to delete fingerprint 1. I'm going to remove this, and then I'm going to remove this as well too. So now I have no fingerprints. You can see that I have no fingerprint right now, and I'm going to show it to you how do I register with 2 finger on 1 fingerprint. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so because you're going to learn so many good information about these, and then not a lot of people talk about these features. So let's get started. How do I do this with 2 fingers with 1 fingerprint? So a lot of people will ask me, why do I need 2 fingerprints on 1 fingerprint 1? There's a lot of reason why, but let's just start this first. We're gonna add fingerprints, and then I'm gonna add continue, and then register, and then sometimes you might show something like this, okay? So you're gonna clean your phone, your screen. So now I'm just gonna clean my phone right now, a little bit, okay? In front of you guys. And now let's do that again, okay? Pen, register, and now you just do 2 finger. See that? And this way, and in addition, you see the circle is actually moving around, so you have to catch the circle as well too. So that will be more accurate. So you can see right now I'm registering 2 fingerprint with 1 fingerprint 1. So when I press done, so this fingerprint 1 will be registered, will be having 2 of my fingerprints, okay? So now what is the reason behind this? The reason behind this is actually it will be much faster if you log in. It will be much faster to go into your phone. And then secondly is if you register fingerprints, usually before I will have fingerprint 1 and fingerprint 2 as you see before. Now you can have just 2 fingers on 1 fingerprint 1. So it will save you so much time, save you so much space, and actually much faster when you go in. So this is the best way to register fingerprints with 2 finger on fingerprint 1. If you still having trouble, please drop a message below and I'm going to show you to you again with any other phones right there. I have a Flip 5, I have a S25, S24, and then I have a Fold 6, and I have Note 7 as well too. So all these phones can do these features, alright? Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye, peace out.